welcome back to my channel. Liz here. Today's video is going to be an unboxing from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. So I saw a video on YouTube. Oh god, I want to say it was from Scrap Diva 29 of some items that she had bought from this place. And so then I had to go take a look, and they had so many cute things, so then I had to make a purchase for myself. So I have two different boxes here because I have items that I purchased, and then there is also the Creative Mojo Studio Wholesale Subscription Edition Design Team Kit. So it's called a design team kit, but as far as I know, it is a subscription box. This was not something that I was invited to get. It was not something that I was sent for free. It is something that I paid for. It shows right here on the receipt, design team kit subscription. So it'll be something that I assume comes every month. And so I guess just depending upon how much I enjoy the things that are inside of this box will determine upon how many months I decide to keep up with that subscription. So first we're going to go into the smaller box of items I purchased. Everything on the site is very reasonably priced. Shipping is a little on the pricey side. But everything got here really fast, and so I don't have a ton of complaints. See, the sequins, embroidery thread, clay bows, and cabochons that I got were all just $2.99 a piece. The embroidery thread is normally $4.99, but it was on sale. So this box, really cheap. Alright, I like there. Little sticker here. Thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, so cute. Look at those stars. Oh my goodness. And then these adorable little clay bows. Oh, I've got to take these out. Those, oh my god, those are going to be so cute inside of shakers. Oh, I don't have that one. Just didn't get cut right. But they're going to be so cute inside of shakers and bows and all kinds of just like things, resin, oh, whatnots. I'm so excited. I'm dropping bows. I shouldn't have poured them into my hand. Alright, and then I got these bow cabochons that I just thought were really cute. So those will just be really cute, like mixed media pieces, on like album covers, be really cute on different pieces of ephemera. Just adorable. Love those. And then the embroidery thread mix is of like a dark mint, a light mint, a more hot pink, and a pastel pink, and then yellow. So you get 10 things of, two kinds of yellows actually, so 12 things of thread. And, I mean, there's a million things. Oh, there's even more than that. There's 4 of each. Goodness. So, 4 yellow, 4 lighter pink, 4 medium pink, 4 lighter mint, and 4 darker mint. Wow, that is quite a bit of thread. So we make cute tassels and different things with that. So let's get that closed back up and then head into this design team box, which I need a pair of scissors for, I believe. All right, so let's see what is inside of here. All right, so it says starfish, seashells, and islets too. What you'll create is up to you. Use your imagination and have some fun. And don't forget to share when you're all done. Super cute. So here's all of her socials. Thanks always, Ariel C. So you can find her on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. Check them out. Their cute little Happy Mail sticker. I love that. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wasn't expecting so much stuff. Okay, so let's check it out. So we have all kinds of nummy goodness in here. So let's scoot this over to the side so I can lay everything out. So we have these awesome beads, and it looks like a hot pink, a light like rose quartz color, and a mint color. Very nice. Oh, those will be great on, whoops, making some chunky charms. Ooh. Some, flatbacks. These are super cute. Woo! Dropping things. All right. So these are cute little flatback cabochons in like a pink with gold flaking in it. Oh my god, I love these. These might even be like resin drops, but they're super cute. Oh my gosh. All right. And then we get some gummy bears. Those are adorable little resin gummy bears. Fun. Oh, these stars. Let me pull out one. Oh, these adorable resin two-tone stars. I love this. Did she make everything? I bet you she like makes everything in this kit. This is a lot of like, I'm right, this is a lot of resin. These are adorable. So resin stars. Oh my gosh, look at these. We've got starfish. Oh, so adorable. Some seashells. We have some, some flower eyelets. I love those. Those are so cute. I like to use eyelets to, in a lot of different things to be able to attach my like charms and dangles and things too. So I love these flower ones. Oh, those are going to be so much fun to use. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh, these have to come out. Oh my god, you guys, look at these. Happy Mail charms. Those are adorable. Oh, I'm so excited to use these. Oh, yeah. Oh. And then we have cassette tapes. Oh, I'm feeling this. Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun stuff to use. Look at these. Oh, I'm about to go on some serious Instagram and Pinterest dives and get myself a lot of inspiration and get crafty tonight. I am so excited. Oh, and then there's still so much stuff in here. Oh, Ariel, you are amazing. This box is amazing. Okay, oh my God. Okay, I think that's gonna have to be last. We'll do this and then we'll do that. Okay, so then next up we've got all of this beautiful trim. Oh, okay, so here it is. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love this trim. Oh, as I've just like messed it all up now. It was all nicely wound up. She just left it in the bag. Alright, so you get it in this light pink. You get it in this mint green. You get it in a magenta, purple, and yellow. Oh my, I just see so much. So much! And then you get, this is probably close to 100 pom-poms. Oh, I just love this color combination. The yellow, pinks, like everything is just so perfect. And then I was like, I didn't even know what this kit looked like. And then I go and I get this, like, embroidery floss. Like, come on. Look at this. Look at this. Like, that is a perfect match. That is a perfect match. It wasn't even my intention. I didn't know it was inside the kit. Love it. And then last but not least, you get this beautiful embellishment box full of sequins and like shaper stuff. With a little spoon. Look at this little spoon. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at it all. Oh, and I love these little containers. They're like little medicine containers. Oh my God, this is like the most brilliant thing ever. So there is these like stars. Oh, I can't get this one open. There we go. In like a white and a blue. I don't know how focused my camera. There we go. And then we have seashells in this like green. And then a pink over here. Ugh. And then this one is all stars in pink, blue, yellow, and purple. We've got more stars in a green and a white. And then we have some 5-petal flowers looking very cherry blossom like in a pink and a purple. Oh, and then the rest appear to all be circular sequins, like the donut ones. Oops. And we've got a bunch of colors of those. some pinks and reds and blues and whites and oranges and yellows. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is an amazing, amazing kit. Oh, I've already got so many ideas flowing through my brain on things I'm going to make. And I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. So I will definitely be back, hopefully sooner rather than later. I'm trying to get a lot better about putting out videos with project shares on these items, because oh, my brain is just going. My brain is just going. All right, so thank you, everyone. If you are interested in signing up for this subscription box yourself, I will put the link down below in the subscription box. And until next time, have a great rest of your day and happy crafting.